Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to investigate whether the Brendan Ingram's script that we had installed in the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS is configured properly or not. So we had downloaded the Linux audio script from the Brendan Ingram's GitHub page, and then we extracted the zip file here, and we go inside this Ubuntu 22.04 folder. The script is there. So I have opened up the script already. So basically what we did was we set the governor performance to performance mode. We changed from the on demand to the performance mode. Then we added the VM swappiness is 10 and the max user watches is 6 lakhs in the system control file, and in the audio configuration file we added audio priority to be 90 and audio memory log unlimited, and we added the user to the audio group. Further, we installed the Reaper using the script, and we installed Wine and its dependencies, and finally we installed the yaw bridge. Yaw bridge is there, and it did some configuration, so we can add Windows VST plugins later on. So this is all what we have done via the script. So now let us check whether the script has properly installed or not. So for that we have to open the terminal, and first we have to pass this command ulimit is a. So all the real-time configuration of the system can be seen here. So the real-time non-blocking time is unlimited, core file size is 0, data segmentation size is unlimited, scheduling priority is 30, file size is unlimited, pending signal is 15390, max lock frequency is unlimited, max memory size is unlimited, open files is 1024, pipe size is 8 of 512 bytes, POSIX message queues is 819200, real-time priority is 90, stack size is 8192, CPU time is unlimited, max user processes is 15390, virtual memory is unlimited, file locks is unlimited. So you can see basically most of the system configuration parameters are unlimited. Now we have to check whether the settings that we did using the audio installation script of Brendan Ingram has been done in the system or not. So for first we will let us open up the audio configuration file. We have to input the command. So it's opened the audio configuration file in the nano text editor. Here you can see the audio RTPRIO is 90. If you want, we can just verify this with the file. So here you can see, and memory lock is unlimited. Same has been written here, edited in the audio configuration file. So this is perfectly done. Now next step is to verify the system control configuration. So I will click here. I will pass this command sudo nano etc system control.configuration. At the end, you can see at the end of the file, VM swappiness is 10. So here you can see VM swappiness is 10, and the max user watches is 6 lakhs. So here you can see max user watches is 6 lakhs. So the configuration of this Brendan Ingram's Linux audio, the Pro Audio script, is perfectly done in the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and now the system is ready for the professional audio recording, editing, as well as video recording and editing. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some other informative knowledge sharing tidbits. Bye bye.